Are you looking to reset your Discord password without using a phone number? Hey there, welcome back. Here's an easy trick on how to reset your Discord app password without a phone number. So, let's get started. Try to reset the Discord account password. Open the Discord app. After logging in, tap on Forget Your Password. And now, enter your email or password. Tap on Login. After that, they will send you an instruction to change your password. So, open your email and tap on Reset Password. After that, you will get the Enter New Password box. Enter the new strong password and tap on Change Password, and the password will be reset. So, this is how you can reset your Discord app password without a phone number. But still, if you have any issues, then please write them down in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.